Hey everyone, Scott here with the High Tech Guys on YouTube, where we're hammering it out so you don't have to. If you haven't already upgraded to Windows 8, but have heard the horror stories about how difficult it is to use, well, this video is for you. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to use Windows 8 and make you feel like you've been using it forever. Alright, there you have it. Windows 8 and Microsoft's infamous Start screen. From the Start screen, you can access all the apps and the programs on your computer. This shortcut right here is called the tile. If you right-click on the tile, it gives you a bunch of options. The Calendars tile here allows you to unpin it from the Start button, which means it will remove it from the Start screen. Pin to the taskbar of the desktop. Uninstall it. Or we can resize it. We can make it small, medium, wide, or large. If we make it small, it makes it a small icon. Right click it again, resize, we can make it large again. Okay, next, one of the first things you're going to want to do is create some shortcuts on your desktop and your start menu of your most commonly used programs. To do this, in your start menu, click the down arrow icon at the bottom left. This is going to take you to your all programs menu. From here, scroll over to the app or program that you want to create the shortcut for. Okay, we're going to use Calculator in this video as the example. So I'm going to right click on Calculator and it's going to give me a few options. I can pin it to the Start menu. I can pin it to the taskbar in my desktop. I can open it in a new window. I can run it as administrator if you need admin rights, or I can open up the file location. I'm going to go ahead and click Pin to Start. After clicking the button, it takes you to the Start menu and shows you the tile. From here, I can click on it and I can drag it anywhere I like. This example, I'm going to drag it to the beginning of the Start screen and let go. There, this way, every time I come to the Start screen, I don't have to scroll to the right to find it. I can just go ahead and quickly click on the Calculator and it will open up. Next, I want to add the Calculator shortcut to my desktop taskbar. To do this, I want to go back to the All Programs menu by clicking the down arrow in the Start menu. And then right-clicking on Calculator and saying Pin to Taskbar. Okay? From there, I need to get back to my desktop. And so I'm going to hit the Windows key on my keyboard to take me out of the apps here. Goes back to my Start menu. And then I'm going to hit the Windows key again, and it's going to take me to my desktop. And here, you can see that the Calculator is a shortcut on my taskbar, my desktop. By clicking on it, we can open her up. To get back to your Start menu, you can either press the Windows key on the keyboard or press the Start button in the taskbar. Windows 8.0 users do not have a Start button in the taskbar, so they will have to use the Windows key on the keyboard. In this video here, I'm using Windows 8.1 and I have a Start button on the taskbar that I can use to toggle back and forth between the desktop and the Start menu. Desktop, Start menu. Desktop, Start menu. Desktop, Start menu. While on the Start menu, if you move your cursor to the top right of the screen and drag down, you will see the Charms menu. On the Charms menu, if you click the Settings icon, you have another Power icon. By clicking that Power icon, you can put the computer to sleep, shut down the computer, or restart the computer. If you're using Windows 8.0, this is the only place that you can restart and shut down your computer. If you're using 8.1, Microsoft put a shortcut to the Power menu on the Start menu. By clicking the Power menu, it will give you a drop down to put your computer to sleep, to shut down the computer, or to restart the computer. If you move your cursor over to the left-hand side of the screen and drag down, it will give you a list of all the currently open apps. Right now, all I have is my desktop app open. And yes, in Windows 8, your desktop is essentially an app. Okay? If I were to come over here and click on the Microsoft Store app, it will open up the Microsoft app to allow me to download apps to my computer. In order to get back to the Start screen, though, I need to press the Windows key. And that will bring me back to the Start screen. Moving my cursor back up to the top left and dragging down, you can now see that I have the Store app open and my desktop app. In order to close those apps, you can right-click on it and click Close. Well, there you have it. Microsoft Windows 8 solved. If you liked this video and it was helpful, go ahead and click the like button in the bottom right of the window. We would greatly appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate that as well.